Hello students, welcome back to class, and this is another lesson in the foundations of the English language. Can you say that? Foundations. Mulatan kru. Foundation moi, foundations many. So I say foundations of the English language. The foundations of the English language. I'm studying the foundations of the English language. Foundations. Complete. So these are the 5 vowels of the English language. And every vowel has at least 2 sounds. A has 4 sounds. O has 3 or 4 sounds. U has 3 or 4 sounds. But we will only study the 2 sounds. We say the long sound and the short sound. The long sound of the vowel and the short sound of the vowel. Là chỉ sầm lang so sầm lang vang hay so sầm lang clay nei vowel ni môi. Okay, and so some ni tam makru yung nang ni ye so sầm lang san, but pinang yung nang ni ye pie tam so sầm lang. So ni tam makru a e I O U Okay, so many down makru. A, name, face, snake. A, cat, hat, sad. Complete consonant, pot, snake, cat, hat, sad, something đi. Okay, so to e, he, she, me, she. Ni tam lo kur ho. Bed, egg, pen. Man men tin, tin, T-I-N, kichi piep sang. 10, 10. Man to, I, hi, ice. Big, pig, is. O, cold, old, yellow. Dog, hot, rock, cold, complete ld, old, cold, mà men cold, yin ta ka sam lang đi, cold, Lu, cold, old. Okay, mình ta you, blue, cute, you. Run, sun, duck. Okay, mơ this video mà đang mà nikachia cho ra sam khao na. Ai meri ni kachia so ra sam khao na samapa sa da chang rim pi sa anglais. Ba yung squall so sam lang rama aksani mui through sam yang ni ye and nang srap. Okay, so this video, watch this video again and practice saying it. Practice saying it Practice saying it the same as I do. Don't forget the S's. Don't forget the final consonants. All right? And in all of these lessons, after you say it, send me a voice message in Telegram. All right? See you in the next lesson.